Phew.
Going?
Mommy going on the other side with Daddy.
Diyan ka na lang. Diyan ka na.
Yeah. Cutie, baka mainit.
Mo nagpipicture, no? Nagdadrive na lang ako mag-isa. Dito ka na lang sumakay?
You
Sana
gonna put your car seat back there?
tell mommy, no need seat, car seat, mommy. No need car seat. Ha? Tell mommy, I'm a big boy, mommy. I'm a big boy. Dati naman. Pasok ka.
Ha?
Pasok ka. Ay. Yeah, take it easy.
All the stuff that you can add.
Bye.
Yeah.
Oh, Lolo, babay na. Go na, Lolo, babay. Lolo. Ja. Huwag kang tissue doon, oh. Punasa mo dun.
I'm not driving this because I want to have a baby. I like this car though. Nice.
Malakas yung AC niya. Ayan. Punta na, busina ng businahan dito. Ha?
Turn it up.
Sanay siya sa kotse na. Tumulo yung laway niya.
Hey, what are you doing, huh? Where are you
What's on your
going?
seat?
Boy, go find someone.
Natakot sa tungkol.
Well, it's too loud.
Yeah.
You don't understand. It's so hard to trust. Like you're not the one. You didn't give me enough. She nice. Trust me, I see from far.
This is a really nice car.
Tell me that you got
So after your percentage was higher than mine.
that shit on
The buyer's rate. 9.39. Why was it so high?
Gusto mo naman yung tubig ko.
You want water?
Okay, mine was not
Dapat
that high. I went to Navy Federal.
Ask mommy.
What?
You want to drink water?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put in the...
She has a water cup in the room too. In the car too, but you can have some of that.